We've been given access to an old ancient temple here for healing. And we're very fortunate to have been given this access. And it makes me think about clutter. I don't mean clutter like cardboard boxes in your garage. I mean clutter like clutter of the mind. We all have pain. We all have different conflict with our boyfriend, our girlfriend, our boss. We have stressors. We have all sorts of emotional things that happen to us, and they just add up like a garbage can. And you have to empty your garbage can. That's what I tell people all the time, empty your garbage can. That means de-stress. And how can you do that? You do that through prayer, you do it through meditation, you do it through journaling, you do it through working out, you do it through taking care of your body, self-care. So what I want all of you to do is take care of yourself. Have self-care.